Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey. Come join the family. Nothing but vibes you see. Everybody's happy on this side. Yeah, we gon' vibe. Yeah, let's ride. Only love on this side. Bailey goes gang for life. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Bailey goes, Bailey goes. It's the Bailey goes, Bailey goes.
Intro, you're not gonna bother him? Oh. Hold on, him throw with the other one. Just make him kick it. A little bit. Happy Tuesday, guys. Sun really, really hot. And the family is under the weather. So all are we sick. All are we get flu. But you know, I make Kyrie get some sunlight. So him father the outside with him. I play. Probably you need to rinse it with the hand. When soap now wash out a black clothes so it look white. Tell her that to bring you. Can you? You might follow you now. Carry through the ball down this way. Kick it, Papa, kick it. No, no. Kick it. No. If I not throw the ball down this way. Kick it. Actually, me always go make him go down the field. But make him walk all the way around. Kick it, yay! Kick it again. What's that? Grass? I try to kick it, you know. Kick the ball, Papa. The dog down this one. I told him. Me I stay inside because I'm just in my robe. So KEMAR said I'm not close this, so I'm gonna stay inside. So in the outside we kind of play, you know, you can get like a sunlight, even though it's not so hot. No, Papa, don't throw it down there. Anyways, peeps, I go get going because I'm have to leave for go work. So KEMAR did do some fish yesterday, so you don't know. I go warm that up right now. So I go eat some Monday, Tuesday. I don't know I go eat with it. Probably do like a rice because he never did actually do anything with it. Him just bake the fish by itself. So I go probably do some rice and have that, and then I start get ready for go work, and KEMAR will continue with the vlog because I think he said that the guy for the garage is coming this morning. I'm not too sure, but I think me and him said this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically pick up wherever I left off. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. You know, And I'm gonna leave in a comment section. I'm gonna leave in the comments in the comment section. You know, just engage with the video them guys. Cause that, you know, like tell YouTube say yeah, you know, the video them engage and enjoy the video them. So if you not enjoy the video them, just leave a comment and engage with us in the comment section. Alright. So as me telling everybody sick, we have flu, cold, you know. So these are some ginger and garlic. KEMAR make, I don't know, remedy for the cold and the fever. We need to knock this out as soon as possible because, you know.
Did you tell her yet?
Is she pet?
I don't understand why they
Is she pet?
Nails.
4 nails.
Is she
Yeah, there's
pet?
nails in there. I don't know. That's the other thing. I'm gonna send the pictures of it. With these nails, right? I would have put a big lag bolt, like bolts like this, and I would have drove them. I would have started 2 starter holes here, so I could drive down into here, so I can make sure I bit something. You know, they just throw it together, man. Anyway, it's whatever.
Carrie, tell them what happened to the garage.
What happened?
Look, tell them what happened to the garage door. Look. Tell them. Yeah, tell them. Yes. Tell them it's not working and you can't drive out a car.
The car.
Yeah, you can't drive it out because your garage door is stuck. So, update on the garage door. So the man come back a while ago, as I said this strap out, as I showed in the last video. Try to start up the car, as usual. Update, you know, me I say. Them say, him say this is not a film problem. We call the landlord. Him tell her, say she'll call the builder. Because this not supposed to come out of the wall so easy. You understand? Yeah, as me I said before, try interrupt me with the bag of music. I said, that not supposed to come out of the wall so easy. So now, yes, so now we have to wait until the builder actually come assess that. So we never have the garage door. Me a people see, I'm not expect a package. Me a people
Who's
see.
in the truck?
Huh?
Who's in my truck?
We cannot drive no truck right now. Just a check with see because I expect a package. So we now have no garage door until them come, and then the technician have to come back for the garage door again. So after them fix for them fault, the builder fix for them fault, then we can actually go ahead with the technician. No kind of sound mix up, but oh, and so we're not supposed to touch this. Although we didn't know because it has so much tension, see? So you know, so if you try to lift all that now, that pop and shot you in your face, kill you. Me now want to get killed by a garage door. So I kind of leave it alone. When it drop the day, I not even touch it back. As I know about the spring thing, they come. They're staying out of the garage unless we have an exercise. Yeah, so I used to be some food for Kyrie
Yeah.
before she go work. She had the rice, mince.
Brown chicken.
Yeah, rice and
No,
mince
me
chicken.
actually cooked banana for him
Banana.
instead of the rice. If you want to give him rice, I can still give him, but you just have to do the banana. I don't know which one he want to eat. Anyway, him have his opinion on what he wants to eat whenever I'm ready.
So that's that right now. Let's go and see the deer hole. What you tell him, bye-bye? Rubbish truck? Huh? You going to pick up the rubbish? Huh? Yeah. Mister, rubbish never take up enough. And then just come early so we just work with it. Yeah, I said, hey. Yeah. Alright, so I was gonna say the rubbish truck. The garbage truck. We call it rubbish truck at Jamaica. The garbage truck, trash collectors just came, pick up the rubbish, which them not normally do on a Tuesday. I don't know why, but the man who I drive actually come to me. Or him call me. KEMAR, what you do? Man who actually I drive call me. I'm got to him and he tell me, say, like some of the trash I never get picked up last week Thursday. So that's why them come round and pick up now. But let's see if them will come pick up again this Thursday. Because normally our trash get collect on a Thursday, isn't it? So that's why we kind of did puzzle with the trash thing when it just come up. I've never actually noticed the rubbish that come out and they just put out the bag too. So good timing. So yeah. Just there. Guy there. Daddy daycare. Rista gonna work. So just me and Kai right now. This is basically a short vlog. I don't really have much more to say or do because food don't prepare for Kai already. One thing, I just me need to look after something myself. Kai alright. That's our number one priority. What? What? Do? What happened to you? What you say you do? You don't do. Sometimes I understand. W? That is it. If I say W? What? W? I can't make W. Is it W? So I'm going to try to make W. W? Show W. The W. What's that?
H.
S?
Y. Z.
So, yeah. That'll be basically be there right now.
Is she Albert?
What?
D-E-F? No, what
I can't make those letters with my hand carry.
S-E-D-C-W?
So that basically I do that.
S-E-D-C-W?
Carry and try. This is W?
Wow.
Huh? What? That is? W. Boy, yes, you want. What? Yeah. So basically, eat this video, I guess. As we don't have nothing more to do. I say at this point, if nothing else come up during the day, we drop that in our next video, which might drop tomorrow. So, alright, big up on yourself and make sure to watch the video. And click the notification bell. Tell your friends, share the video. Please share the video. Please share the video. And like the video also. More than like the video, share the video. And it help push out the video them. I actually push out 1 or 2 other videos. You know? So if I do it now, I'm not sure everything before something. It's like half whole heap. I try to come back around now. So, yeah. I'm gonna drop the video right now. If you wanna watch, and then if nothing go on during the rest of the day, try to catch that, is it? Alright, pick up on yourself.
It's the Bailey Goes.